What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're here at VicDrift Winter Matsuri. Jordan is also here with his E36 M43 turbo. He's already been out for a couple of laps. That thing absolutely rips. We're going to take our car out quickly now, do a couple of test laps, make sure everything is all good. Matsuri is always a super fun weekend, mad vibes. We've got a sick Airbnb. We're going to have some drinks tonight. It's going to be a good time. So the boys, what's up, guys? They're a bit shy, but they're here. Say hello to everyone, Tara. Are you excited?
Hello. Oh, so excited.
How long has it been since you've been in my car? A little while.
It's been a while. Mikey has been as organised as he was this trip. It's
yeah, I'm very organised.
All over. I want to get sideways.
Woo! We're so organised. This is like the most organised we've ever been for an event. How you doing, Woz? Good?
Pretty excited, yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm pumped.
Just went out for 4 laps.
Oh, yeah, Woz already been out, so yeah, we're gonna go out for some test laps on this beautiful thing. It's the first time we've ever run a proper wheel alignment in this car. Thank you, Elite Brake and Mechanical, for letting us use your wheel alignment machine. So the thing's actually going to drive straight, which means I'm probably going to not know how to drive and got to relearn everything. So let's go and see how she goes. Massive success, very happy with the car, feels amazing with the alignment, like night and day. This thing rips, we're like top of third gear pretty much the whole track. Tyres are going to be an issue. We bought 5 pairs, all brand new, but we're going through them pretty quickly, so as was actually. We've only been out for a couple of laps, and
No 4265.
scrubbing them, son.
Yeah, sweet one.
So next time we go out, Woz is going to wait for me, and we're just going to go around and have a rad day. I'm going to go take some footage of all the amazing cars here and just enjoy the vibes. Yeah. the car's running fantastic. We're about to go out for team drift with myself, Woz, Tori in the K70, and Nathan Beasley in his LS S13. Wish us luck. I'll see you afterwards. Cue the GoPro footage. Let's go.
Goddamn Jew boy. Don't drive with BMW drivers.
That wasn't me this time.
Oh,
it was another BMW.
Yeah.
So. Up what was literally just an amazing day of driving. The last couple of laps I took out a V8 supercar driver, which was absolutely insane. The car performed amazing. We lost a drive belt once, but we replaced it in about 5 minutes, and we rubbed through a water hose that we fixed. Thank you to Elite Brake and Mechanical Shane, and Maddie, and of course Tara, just for being a vibe. But the car is just phenomenal. I don't even know how many laps we did today. We baked so many tyres off. It's crazy, and to the point we had to go and find more tyres that we could use. Thank you to Marcus McCarthy. Gracefully blew up his motor and lent us some tyres. Thanks, Marcus. That's what drifting's all about. Also shout out to Woz for putting on the insane lead laps all day today. Oh, I don't even know if I mentioned, we won Team Drift, so that was awesome. Stoked with the day. I didn't really know. So we're gonna head to Airbnb and have some drinks.
Yes!